All right, intermediate algebra. Evaluate piecewise functions. Hey, this looks complicated, but it is as complicated as it might look. It's really just that easy. I'm not kidding you. So do not let the looks of this confuse you. First of all, when it says that h of t right up here, see our h of t? And then it says the h of 17. What's the only difference? You'll notice that this one had a t and this one had a 17, meaning t equals 17. So t equals 17. Now, we look at our three rules. It says if t equals 17, follow that rule. If t equals 19, follow this rule. If t doesn't equal 17 and doesn't equal 19, then follow this rule. Well, because t does equal 17 in this case, as is stated right here, we have to follow this rule. So we're going to plug into that rule. And we know that t right here equals 17. So we're going to plug in the square root of 17 times t, but we plugged in 17 for t, which came from right here. Let's see, 17 times 17 is 289. The square root of 289 is 17. So our answer is 17. Okay, yes, it's that simple. Wait. Can you do that again, Mr. Anderson? I'm confused. Let's do one more. You're absolutely right. Let's do one more. So here we go. You'll notice that this says the f of t. This says the f of 2, meaning that t equals 2. That's correct. So if t were to equal 8, we'd follow this one, but it doesn't. If t were to equal 10, we'd follow this rule, but it doesn't. If t does not equal 8 and does not equal 10, like this one, t equals 2, then we have to follow this rule. So we're going to follow that rule. Yep. So we are going to simply do 2, because that's what t equals. T equals 2. So 2 squared minus 3 times t, in this case that would be 2, plus 2. Well, what does that equal? Well, 2 squared is 4. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6, and we still have the plus 2. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. Yeah, it's that easy, guys. Boom, 0 is our answer. That's all there is to it. Check in with me, and you should get through this one pretty quick. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.